The world of personal robotics is rapidly expanding, bringing autonomous technology right into everyday spaces. Leading this new wave of smart personal hardware is the Mando Robotics Beni, an innovative two-wheeled personal camera robot engineered specifically for mobile videography, dynamic object tracking, and interactive entertainment. Designed with a sleek, minimalist aesthetic and an adaptive drive system, this compact robot brings professional-grade recording capabilities down to an accessible, portable form factor. At the core of the Mando Robotics Beni is its high-resolution camera system, capable of capturing crisp 4K video at 30 frames per second. What sets this device apart from standard static cameras or handheld gimbals is its dynamic two-wheeled self-balancing platform. This allows the robot to smoothly navigate across a variety of indoor and outdoor terrains while maintaining a level image feed. Built-in vision sensors positioned on the front of the unit allow the Beni to identify, lock onto, and automatically follow targeted subjects or objects. Whether documenting daily routines, capturing hands-free family activities, or tracking movement across a room, the robot acts as an autonomous personal videographer. The physical engineering of the robot emphasizes resilience and user usability. It features quick-swap rechargeable battery packs to support extended usage sessions without lengthy downtime. The chassis is outfitted with an active cooling system, front status indicators, and robust drive wheels designed to handle minor obstacles and surface transitions. In the event that the robot loses balance or is accidentally knocked over, its integrated auto-recovery mechanism engages its internal joints to automatically stand back up, ensuring continuous operation without manual intervention. Controlling and interacting with the device is streamlined through a specialized smartphone companion app and an optional wireless handheld controller. The mobile application provides a real-time, high-definition live video feed straight from the robot's 4K camera, allowing operators to monitor framing from anywhere within wireless range. Through the software interface, users can manually pilot the robot using touch controls, activate automated follow mode, trigger specialized movement actions, such as dynamic jumps, and toggle video recording or photo capture on the fly. Beyond its utility as a video capture tool, the Mando Robotics Beni is programmed with a variety of interactive features intended for family and group engagement. The companion app includes built-in games and responsive movement modes designed to interact with users, making it an engaging companion for children and tech enthusiasts alike. With its fusion of subsurface balance engineering, smart target tracking, 4K optical recording, and app-driven versatility, the Mando Robotics Beni offers a practical glance into the future of autonomous personal hardware.